All right, today we're going to be learning how to do a 3-course patch using the Henry Wet Patch Extreme Rubberized 209XR. Comes in a gallon, tube, and for this repair you're also going to need some repair fabric and a plastic trowel. So what we have here is a 3-tab shingle that actually has a hole in the middle of it. And what typically people will do is they will take the wet patch and just put it over the hole. Now, this will work for short term, but as your roof starts to move from heating up and expansion and contraction, it'll actually start to separate and that patch does not hold together. So to prevent this from happening, we are going to perform a 3-course patch. So for a 3-course patch, you are to put an 1/8 inch of material over the area you're trying to patch. You're going to go just a little bit wider than the actual hole. You're going to take the fabric, embed it down into the layer of material you just put down. And now we're going to put another 1/8 inch of material over the top of that. Make sure you're covering up the fabric, 100% completely covered. And that gives you a 3-course patch. So now, when the roof starts moving from heat, expansion, contraction, it will not cause a hole. It will stay reinforced with the fabric.